This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Beautiful home in sought-after Whitehall. This home features an open floor plan with beautiful wood floors throughout. The kitchen has granite countertops and a kitchen island west/breakfast bar. The morning room with sliding glass doors leading to the rear deck and large windows frame the first floor. The second floor offers a loft which is ideal for your home office or just about anything fun, 2 additional nice-sized bedrooms, a full bath, and a serene owner's suite with a walk-in closet, master bath with dual sinks. You will enjoy strolling the walkable neighbor and enjoy amenities like the basketball court, clubhouse, common area, jogging path, pool, picnic area, playground, and tennis courts. Enjoy beautiful nights taking in the sunset or in the privacy of your back deck in your fenced yard. You will also enjoy the convenience of being only minutes to I-64 East and West and other conveniences. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-220-9500.